Hi guys, in this video I'll be doing a battery replacement for a 2017 iPad. Now of course, before doing anything as big as this, I always consult the iFixIt website. I start by applying some picks to each end of the iPad to gradually remove the adhesive. This is a very delicate stage. The suction cup allows me to safely lift up the display. To loosen the glue holding the display, I use a typical hairdryer. After a few light tugs, I then open the iPad like a book. But I've got to be careful because there is a cable attached to the display. There are 4 Phillips head screwdrivers which are attached to the display. Beneath the display there is a display plate holding 3 screws in place. Once I remove them, I have to detach 3 cables. Then this allows me to remove the screen and the display. I then detach the 1 screw holding the battery in place. Now for the battery removal. To begin, I start by using the hairdryer. This is to loosen the glue on the back case. I then use a plastic pry tool to loosen the battery from the back case. This took a lot of effort on my part, as the battery was stuck down pretty good. It had taken me quite some time to remove the battery from the case. Using anything other than plastic tools would result in sparks flying from the battery, so I had to be very careful. So now, the installation of the new battery. On eBay, I purchased this iPad replacement battery for only £14. I begin by removing the adhesive cover. On the top right hand corner there is a connector. I try and line that connector with the battery. After much adversity, I managed to get the battery on. Once all the cables are connected, I turn the iPad on and it works. This has been one of the most challenging projects I've ever done, but as always I got there in the end. So if you've enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.